So I've got here a Husqvarna lawnmower. It is a YTH2348. It's got the Briggs and Stratton 23 horse Intek engine, and I bent some push rods in it. I'm going to show you why that generally tends to happen and what you can do about it. You can see in here there's a bunch of crap all around the cylinders. Down in here there's a bunch of crap down there too. A mouse got in here, built a nest. Then these can't cool as well as they should. And then, for a reason I'll show you in a minute, the push rods get bent. So I had it happen on this side. You can see this side's pretty dirty too. So I've got all this cover taken off. You don't have to do that to replace the push rods, but you do have to do that probably in order to clean mouse nests and stuff out of here. So clean this out and you won't have to deal with the push rods. First thing we're going to do to change the push rods, and this side is the most difficult because it has this on there, so I'm going to show you on this side. But basically we're going to take this right here off and then remove the 4 bolts holding the valve cover on, and we'll take those off. All right, this is how I found mine when I opened it up. This one up here was bent but still in place. This one was bent so bad that it had actually fallen right out. You can see how bent that is. There's actually a crack in there. I don't know if you can see it or not right there. The rod's cracked. So these are actually different valves, like the top and the bottom are different. I'm going to have a link in the description where you can get these on Amazon. Brand new Briggs and Stratton part. So the bottom one is the steel one and the top one is the aluminum one. So the reason why this happens, this might be kind of difficult to see. There's actually a valve sleeve in here, and I already pushed it largely back in, but that valve sleeve, when this cylinder gets hot, will start to slide out, and then you end up bending your valves. So what needs to happen is that needs to get pushed back in. So what I did, and I'm sure this is not the correct way, but I just took it like and put as much tension on the spring as I could and just tapped it in there and just kept pushing it back in. I can see that it needs to go in a little bit farther, so I'm probably going to take like a screwdriver or something in there and just tap it. I am sure that that's not the correct way, but that's the way I'm going to do it. So then all you need to do is put your valves back in here. So you can see back there in the hole, right there, there's a little hole that the push rod goes in, and then it goes in here. So you're just gonna put the push rod in the hole, put tension on here so you can lift the valve and stick the push rod back in. Depending on where your engine is at, you might need to rotate the top here so that the valve isn't pushed all the way out. But that's basically what you do. And then you might need to adjust your valve lash, which means the space between the top of the rocker arm and the valve head. I believe that's supposed to be like 6 thousandths. And you adjust that by loosening this nut and then screwing this set screw in or out depending on what you need, and then tightening it back up. So that is the overall how you do this job. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment below. Don't forget to check out those Amazon links if you want to. Oh, the rod length here is 6 1/4 inches. Some people might be looking for that. So hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.